say
too many returning residences are being killed in Jamaica.
My Jamaican people, why should I brush this underneath the carpet when I said too many returning residents are being killed in Jamaica? Why should I brush? I'm not talking as if I don't want to brush it underneath the carpet. I am not going to brush it underneath the carpet. It's happening, and I'm not going to brush it underneath the carpet.
Viewers and subscribers, we say welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan Perth. This channel is all about travel, vlog, music, news, entertainment, up the live stream and story time. So people, we have the video here right now. We have about a couple seconds. You feel me? I'm not going to put the video actually. I'm put the voice note because you feel me? The lady a jump out and make people know, say, yo, too much returning residents are killer Jamaica. So basically, she try to tell the people them don't forward at Jamaica because if you forward come at Jamaica, they're gonna kill you and all these things. People not no go so. You feel me? I say not no go so. You feel me? She talk about some things that probably happened some long time years ago. Long tank years ago in time. You feel me? A little accident also happen. And most of them time when you see all these things happening, guys, sometimes a family member bad mind or grudgeful. You see me? And they have some you have some return residents too, you know, people. Some of them, you feel me, when they go back home and then country too, then go on in a community. Remember, they not go home for how long, you know. But still, you feel me, they might build up a little house there. And when they go back home, guys, then go on like say, yo, them better than the people, them. You feel me, I say them come from foreign. Then start go on like say them are this and them are that and even show no support in our community and all these things. Sometimes when them think they happen, people see things happen to you, them never business, which in a right for kill nobody know what. A period of time. So we are going to play a little section, a video. You feel me? I say, guys, I make we hear where she attack. You feel me? When I actually show a video, you know, we just go play a voice note. So we hear what really are going where she attack about. You get to me? I say, all right, we pull up it's a little breeze, nice and breezy outside. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we outside a chill in a month. We will get some fresh air. They come and say, people, so hold on. One chuck a pass. You know, we outside a record, so it'll go here all for nice and all these things. So before we start playing a video, it's a big chuck a pass. Get to me, I say, guys, remember for the right, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Yeah, so that's shit. Which car alarm that she got now, boy? Boy. Alright, people, so we have a little interruption. You know, you hear alarm go off and I want bag of see. So this is what go up now, guys. I play a little clippings and make we hear what woman has said. You feel me? I said she said too many return residents and them like them want her sweep it under the rug and all these things. But she don't say rug still, she say carpet. You could hear what she has say.
Too many returning residences are being killed in Jamaica.
My Jamaican people, why should I brush this underneath the carpet when I said too many returning residents are being killed in Jamaica? Why should I brush? I'm not talking as if I don't want to brush it underneath the carpet. I am not going to brush it underneath the carpet. It's happening, and I'm not going to brush it underneath the carpet. Right? Remember the lady about a year and a half ago? The lady, one returning resident, she went back to the, I think it's somewhere in Ochi. The lady has a nice big house she have in Ochi there, so. And close to center in a Ochi side so. And the lady came back to do some work on her house. A good neighborhood, you know. The lady came back to do some work on her house. The lady went to the hardware and bought some things at the hardware, right? And the lady was spending a whole lot of cash there. When did they bring back the truck people bring back the goods, drop off the goods? She noticed that two of the men into the truck was not gone back with it, did not go back with the truck. She told her friend on the phone that when she died and everything, the friend is talking this, the friend is saying this. Two of the men, she said, you know, I realized that two of the men did not go back on the truck. I don't see them. Them hide inside of the woman's house, and when and the night then kill the woman and take her vehicle and go with it, gone with it, and I must rob her. Why should I cover it underneath the carpet? And this is we can't tell them many more situations where returning residents have been killed. Many more. We can look them up. We can Google them. We can find them phone.
I find them through it. You see me, that kind of crazy still no people. So apparently she has say, yo, watch you know, your woman, a return resident, she forward to Jamaica and I build up her house. You feel me? So basically she said she go a hardware now. And when the lady went to the hardware, guys, the lady went to the hardware and buy so material. You feel me? I said finish up her house and thing. So she has said when time she look, the person them can drop off the material. Person them can drop off the material. She say lady take a look and realize say, yo, but wait. Like if a 4 of them come on the truck. You feel me? I say only 2 of them she see leaving on the truck. You get me? I say 2 of them leaving on the truck. So when time she look now, she call her friend of foreign back and I say, yo, but you know, me see the truck come with 4 people and only 2 of them leave. You see me? So when it, you know, so basically now after that now them say the man hide in a house, he hide in a house. You feel me? I say so when the lady stays, you know, go in a shower, but people them in a house I watch her and all these things. You get me? I say? Yeah. So when time she says night come down now, night fall now, basically a night fall now. So when night fall now, the lady, you know, get ready for her bed and all these things, you know, put up her cream and show up and, you know, turn off her little night light and go take a sleep. When time I take you out now, the man then go in her room, allegedly. You feel me? I say, cause I don't know about the story, if this lady is just making up the story or what. You feel me? I say them, so allegedly, these people go into the house and then kill the lady and take away her car. That's what she say. The woman. Panny tape. Say them do that. The female say people, but me never remember hear about that story in Jamaica. Them say you can Google it and find it. So now she jump out and this story apparently for years ago. So now she jump out now and I say, you feel me? I say, returning resident again being killed in Jamaica. Lady too lie. No return resident now killing a Jamaica just so. You feel me? I say 90% of the time when them think they happen some little family member, bad mind or some little thing, and you say lady live in a good residential come here. People when I say that can't happen, you know. When I say that can't happen, because them think they can really happen as far as you feel me? I say people watch your hardware just like alright, for instance, you go to the bank and you pull out a certain amount of money, you withdraw a certain amount of money from the bank. They get me and say, you can't trust some of them bank teller. Them a call them people, them and I tell them on the phone and say, yo, this a person that just come draw to 10,000 US or 500,000 or $1 million Jamaican dollar. You get to me and say, people? Yeah. So when time they call them now, as you drive out now and you reach down your road, they say, man, road block in a car, look back, or pull up at your house, wait if it's a old somebody, then trailer and all them things there. So them things that does happen people, but we not hear none of them seeing if Golipa return resident they kill a Jamaica would have been a hear them thing up, you know, we got news on the vlog of them TV and all these things that we not hear all of them situation that you are talk about probably something happen to one of your friends. You get to me and say, years ago. But to make it you understand now, people, let me tell you something. You see, most people realize now, say, yo, calling Jamaica or saying Jamaica is a trend right now. You feel me? I say, so anything you don't want to say about Jamaica, you not go get a little views, you not get a little likes or a little comment. You get to me? I say, so everybody a jump out and I say some things, but don't come say not, don't come make them big speculation you talk about a whole heap of return residents are dead at Jamaica and you can find them in Jamaica. Jamaica not go so. Whole heap of return residents are dead at Jamaica and the government we not hear about that. Come on, we not say things that happen when I come on news and all these things, but somebody would have come out and talk. You see me, this is media world now. Somebody would have come out and talk. So you not can tell we not born a whole heap of return resident if you try to tell discourage people them where are stressed out in America right now. Apparently now you is a person where they America right now where basically you can probably go back to Jamaica right now because you look like you're stuck. If me show one of your picture or video them, you see me she look like she's stuck in America for 19 years ago, people. Not even 19, but 56 years ago. She never go back to Jamaica. Because if you look on the wig where she wear on her head, that tell you say that the woman they not in a modern world. You see me? So now she does a try figure out something like everybody else them a try make a food. You get to me and say, but don't come tell if the funny media talk about whole heap of return residents are dead and if you don't believe her, you can go look, Google it and all them things there. We not say one and few return residents not go back to Jamaica just like every other country and then probably lose their life. Yes, two circumstances, maybe family member, maybe certain little thing, her husband, her boyfriend, or whosoever they link up with. You see me? But nobody not just in a return resident and say, oh, she don't come back, you know. You see me? I say, we are going to look for killer, you know, some style, you know. You see me? Them now go look now, we now go see none of them things there. What's up? You know, look for none of them things there. Come on. Yeah, so we now go see most of them things, the people. You see me? She just go jump out and come out and talk them type of thing right now for people. You see me? Feel like say, alright, don't go to Jamaica right now because them a kill off return residents then. Down in our place and all them things there. So if you decide, and remember, you know, she say, woman in our gated community as well. You see me? I say residential area, she's claim it is. She say a residential area. So basically, she said, them people, they lay wait her on the truck. If you may say, two man, them if they on the truck, them never go back on the truck. You get me? I say, them never go back on the truck. Them wait and hide in a house. You see me? When they hide in a house now, in a hours and night, them can kill her. People, you know, maybe if them think they happen in a whole pound of them on social media, YouTube and everything, you know, the office see them think they on YouTube. You see me? Yeah, one of the office see them thing they on YouTube. So a whole heap of them thing they are going, we now see them thing they not go on in the island, you know, my friend. Or in our country, the people. But no, we not go spread them narrative they on Jamaica for make people them we want to go back to Jamaica work hard and want to go relax back at Jamaica. All now for the people, be vigilant. You feel me? As a gated community, residential area, nobody not kill you. You don't know Jamaican police are who are ramping people right now. They know Jamaica. Let me tell you something. You know who get killed at Jamaica more than anything? You know, criminal and bad people. You see me? I say criminal and bad people. The police them now, they just want to hear say you're in a sitting. Why, them must slap you down. They just want to hear say you're in a something. Why, they must slap you down, my friend. You get to me and say people, so people, make me hear in the comment section, make me hear if you have any story about any return resident that you know of what went to Jamaica and lose their life. You feel me? I say, so you put in a comment section, make me hear from you. You feel me? I say, if you know a friend or a family member or some long family friend or some people we down on one part, each up in our country is there, so we go back down, we go buy a house and all these things. You see me? I say, and get dead. So she come out and I say that, and the female say people will make people them know say yo watch you know. Not no go me nah say not no go so, but how she put it, but a lot of return residents are being killed in Jamaica. And we as a YouTuber and the vlogger them nah talk about that. Eh? We as a YouTuber them and the vlogger them not talking about that. Also, something off with that, my friend. Is it me? Something off with that. The story there just now match up. The story there now add up. It now make sense. You know, right? It just half key. Is it me? The story there just half key. Is it me? So I me forward over here this morning and say, yo, me all a look over with my people, them and ask them, because guess what now, it's a wider audience, you know, so people out there might know something or hear something where I do not hear or know about, because there's a lot of things out there that we don't know about or hear of still. You feel me? That's why we have to give thanks to social media so much, because social media bring the things them for we see and the good things them for we hear. You see me? So people, if you know somebody, you feel me, I say, if you don't know somebody, let me know. You feel me? Because I want a lady jump out. You feel me, I say, me show no. The picture. Wait. See video, yeah, me show now. Oh, see video there. So you can see I know me and make up it. You see me, she jump out and attack. You see me? She jump out and attack.
Returning residences are being killed in Jamaica.
Jamaican people.
You see it? So we now put too much of them on our screen, you see me? We just show and say a she, so I don't want to feel like say me come and make up a story and bring you over here some food. You feel me? I heard this story and I find it interesting. She's saying this lady Probably that happen for real, you know, people. Lady, cause yo, remember some things go on in Jamaica, some people killing us some skill type of way. You get to me and say, so now this thing is to be vigilant because even if nothing no goes on, she come with this thing, this are gonna make awareness for people. For people going forward. All right, say for instance, now you go down to the hardware now, you buy you're going to purchase your material to finish or build up your house. You feel me? I say you use a credit card, you know, travel with cash. You get to me? I say if you're a returning resident, you feel me? I say get somebody that you can trust. Better you get somebody that you can trust to send to the hardware or something. You don't think you have to go to the hardware. You can send somebody to the hardware. Remember, they're going to get a receipt. You get to me? I say, or if you go to the hardware yourself now, you hear what this lady said, let we use this because we're going to pick some positive out of this story. So you went to the hardware now, right? And you go purchase your goods. And then when you look, they put 4 people on the truck. 3 persons to unload. 3 persons is the unloader and 1 driver. The female says, so now 4 people on the truck. So when you check it out now and you come and you see everybody unload off the truck in a residential area, gated residential area, and you know those persons not from around there. You know the person not from around there, and you see them don't finish unload and now they're leaving back. They get to me and say, you gonna stay out there? Stand up, watch them until they unload, and then you watch and see how much people leave. So if you see 2 people leaving and ask them where the other 2 persons that was on the truck, the female say, and now you come, if you feel like somebody they run a property, I don't think you get somebody to come make a scope. Me would rather call a police somebody. I say yo, I feel unsafe, can make a scope on the compound because I see 2 workmen they can drop off the goods and all them thing there. You feel me, I say? And that's what they use to people. And them think they can really happen, you know. So we have to be vigilant. We not say, this is bad because people that cannot get into residential area and rich neighborhood and all these things, people, wifeyhood, but the rich community, they can't get into it. So basically what they will really do, some of them can use opportunity of workmanship. You feel me? I say hardware work, material deliver. You feel me? I say so them people the way we can drop off the material workman and all them things, they then find way for scoop in. Then again, if it's a gated community, not anybody can come in. They have to get permission from that person. You feel me? I say? They have to get permission from that person. So alright. So for instance, no. These persons hide in the night. And if she live in a secured community, as well, ladies say, and kill her in the night, right? So these persons, most of the time when they live in gated community, you have to drive in, you can't walk in just so. You feel me? I say, so a drive, you have to drive in, so it's security, whoever must see. And if you walk in, you must have to go jump some wall, run a one part, to jump back out. Somebody must see you. You get me? I say, so them the people, they must get captured and get killed. So people, I don't know what I can take from this morning, but big up on yourself and please do right, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Support, thank you for supporting the channel, guys. You know, I just wake up this morning and I see this content and I feel like to come and hold a little reason outside, and you know, rain was falling and you hear it's dripping on the thing. Now the sun coming out and the bird is chirping. It's a wonderful day, it's a beautiful morning. The female says it's a beautiful Monday morning. So we just here giving God thanks, holding a reason with my peeps them. Amen. So big up on yourself. Remember to do right, like, share, subscribe, love and love alone. Wow.